I have found the easiest way to make the juiciest chicken breasts ever. Hello, it's Amy from Be Healthy Enough in my kitchen, doing what I love to do, sharing my knowledge and experience to inspire you to find what being healthy enough means to you. Meal planning is one of the easiest things you can do to set yourself up for healthy eating success. Cooking at home not only saves money, but a ton of calories. Did you know when you eat out, you consume probably 200 more calories per day than if you cooked at home? Eating out every night, and that's 20 pounds in a year. Yes, I did the math. Planning also makes it easier to avoid stopping for that pizza when you know the ingredients for chicken tacos are waiting for you at home. Once you have your meal plan, it's also good to prep ahead of time, especially if you're crazy busy during the week like most people like me. Chicken breasts, particularly boneless, skinless, are the healthiest cut of chicken I know of, but they can also be dry and flavorless. With this incredibly easy method, I can cook up the most flavorful, moist chicken breast using only a bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. It creates chickens that's perfect for chopping up, shredding into tacos or soups or salads or anywhere you need some chicken. Here's how to cook up chicken breasts that you will love. Here's what you need. Of course, chicken. I like to get organic, free-range chicken. I get my chicken from farmerscart.com. I'll leave the link below. You'll also need some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and you'll need something because you're going to pound it out. You need some plastic wrap, something to pound it out. You can use this or you can use a mason jar, and then you need a pan with a lid. Wrap your chicken breasts in plastic wrap, and then use your tool to pound them out. You want them about the same thickness so they cook evenly. Unwrap them and then season them with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a frying pan large enough to fit the chicken in a single layer over medium-high heat. When it's nice and hot, add some olive oil and then swirl it around to cover the pan, and then reduce the heat down to medium. Add the chicken breasts, and cook them for 1 minute. Flip each breast over. Reduce the temperature to low, and then cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes have lapsed, turn off the heat, and if you have an electric stove, remove the pan from the heat. Reset the timer for 10 minutes, leaving the chicken breast in the pan. Again, don't lift it up, don't peek. After 10 minutes are up, your chicken is done. Make sure there's no pink in the middle of the breast, or check the temperature and make sure it's at 165. Yum! That was so easy, wasn't it? Remember, you can't exercise away a bad diet. You need a plan, and I've got something to help you set yourself up for healthy eating success. I've got Amy's Easy Meal Planning Guide. Shed those pounds by having a healthy eating plan in place. Make mealtime easier, healthier, and yummy. Learn to cook at home like I'm doing with 26 simple and healthy recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks. Download it now with the link in the description below. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Also, let me know how your chicken turns out and what you use it in. Have a healthy day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.